I'm at the Brisbane City Botanical Gardens. The sun is shining, it's beautiful and warm, and the lily pads are all out flowering in beautiful pink today. This lagoon behind me, beautiful. Let's take a walk and see some of the Brisbane City Botanical Gardens. Hi, I'm Linda, and I'm here as a guide, so you know what to expect and can plan for a better travel experience. The City Botanical Gardens are in the CBD of Brisbane, Australia. Brisbane has 2 botanical gardens, one in the CBD, this one, and there is one on Mount Coota, overlooking the city. I love to visit botanical gardens when I visit a city. I love gardens, and they are also an oasis break from the concrete and noise in a city. They're time out, time to relax, time for reflection and peace, and to admire the plants and nature too. The Brisbane City Botanical Gardens have lots of wide paths to share between pedestrians, cyclists and those on scooters. There are also narrow, windy paths to explore through the plants on the soil. There are wide open lawn spaces to enjoy and picnic and play games. And there's a big playground area for children and a cafe. Lots of lizards in the botanical gardens. These two are having a bit of a battle between themselves. If you leave the lizards alone, they'll leave you alone. Just observe them and quietly move on. Big trees are majestic. They are powerful and magical. Just think of how long they have been here and withstood all the challenges that the environment has thrown at them. The Brisbane River runs alongside the City Botanical Gardens. There are walking paths right along the Brisbane River. On the outside fence, walking along Ellis Street, I found a fig tree swallowing up the fence. This is absolutely fascinating. Happy travelling!